everyone, and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha, and today we'll be making gold and a treasure map. In your kit, you will find a river rock, paintbrush, gold paint, and a thin piece of brown paper. What's not in your kit, but you will still need, is a tissue, a thin fine point black pen, and a pencil. That's it. Most people have these at home. Okay, so we'll first start with painting our river rock gold. That will be our treasure. So go ahead, open up your tissue, take your river rock, your paintbrush, and your gold paint, and go ahead and paint your river rock. Okay, now that we've painted one side, what we're going to do is we're going to flip it and paint the other side after it dries. So go ahead, let it dry, and while it's drying, we're going to work on our treasure map. Okay, for your treasure map, your goal is to make it like your home. That way, if you use this treasure map with your family to find gold, they know where they're going and they have an idea. So the front door is the port of entry. So this is where you go and you draw an inlet in your island and you put ships arriving. So that'll be your front door. Your living room or dining room area is your bonfire with logs. And then your kitchen is the banana trees, coconut trees, where the fish are for fishing. And then wherever you have a bedroom, go ahead, draw a hut. And wherever you have a bathroom, draw an outhouse. So this is a guide for you, so you can draw the island, which is your home, and the different parts in your home. That way when you hide gold, maybe around the palms, they know it's somewhere in the kitchen and they have an idea. So that'll be your map. So go ahead and think about your home and think about where all the rooms are located. Maybe have a guardian help you with this one. So that'll be a lot of fun to make together. Before I put this away, feel free to pause on my treasure map, but I will also show you how I made it step by step. Okay, so the first step is to think about, again, like I said, where your front door is. So you don't have to draw it exactly like mine, but I'm gonna make it like a little curvy, like a real island, but I'm gonna remember where my front door is. And then this will be where all the ships are coming in, just like people come into your home from that area. So for a boat, I do a half circle, I do 2 lines for my mast, and then I do sails as little rectangles. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to think, oh yeah, my living room or dining room's over here. So wherever yours is, go ahead and draw your logs. Those are rectangles with lines. And then you're going to put kind of like triangles or little squares with little logs at the bottom of your bonfire and then some fire. So these are where people usually gather and talk, just like you do in the living room and dining room. And then go ahead and make your kitchen. Where's your kitchen? Let's draw some palms. So for palms, they go out like this, 2 lines. Put lines straight like that, and then you're gonna have your palm tree leaves come out. So I'm gonna make a coconut tree. So that'll that'll be the kitchen, and then maybe I'll put some fish here. And then maybe I want another palm tree. Maybe I want bananas, so bananas come and they hang. I've got coconuts, I've got bananas, I've got fish, so I've made my kitchen, so wherever your kitchen is. And then think about where the bedrooms, so I'm gonna do one hut here for mine. Think about your own home and where it's located. And an opening there. And then also think about where your bathroom is. So usually they're near the bedroom where you sleep. So I have one there, and then I have another one here. And then there's also a outhouse there for the bathroom to represent the bathroom. So we've got that. And then I'm okay. If you want to come up with another symbol for another room, maybe you have a game room, so you can draw a soccer ball somewhere and 2 goals, you can. Whatever you'd like to represent each room. And then I am going to go ahead and make it look old. But before I do that, let's title it. It is a map, so I'm gonna write treasure map. You can write whatever you want. You can use your last name, you can do island of, and then whatever your last name is. However you want to title the map is up to you. So now I'm going to make it look really, really, really old. I'm going to go ahead and crumple it up, okay? So go ahead, crumple yours up. Looks pretty old. Now I'm going to make holes in it. So I'm going to tear some holes by pinching. Can you pinch your mat and then pull it? So you want to pinch where you haven't drawn, where there's empty space, where there's a void. That way we don't ruin our drawing. So see how there's nothing there in the ocean? So go ahead and pinch a little here, pinch a little there. Be careful not to rip your whole map. Keep pinching till you feel like it's getting a little rugged and old. And then go ahead, tear the edges, like it's been used a lot. Maybe tear a corner. Looks pretty rugged to me. Looks pretty used, huh? Okay, so now we're going to, shall we finish painting our gold and then we'll decide where we want to hide it? That sounds good. Let's finish painting our gold. So go ahead and we're going to flip it, pretty dry. So go ahead, finish painting, and get the edges as well. Alright, I think I got it all covered. Now we're going to let this dry yet again. It's pretty quick. It dries within, I would say, 20 minutes. So now what you want to do, last step, would be to decide where you're going to hide your gold after it's dried. So I'm thinking I'm going to hide it somewhere, maybe in that top bedroom. So I might do an X right over here, somewhere between the bedroom and the bathroom. So it makes it a little tricky. So I'm gonna say it's over here. So you're going to use your pencil to mark where you plan to hide your gold, and then you're going to do a trail from the front door, okay? So whoever's looking for your gold has to stand at the front door and then has to follow your trail all the way, just using your map to find the gold, okay? So X marks the spot. Use your pencil, not your pen. That way you can erase it and re-hide the gold. Very important. So once your gold is dry, again, give it about 20 minutes, you can go hide it at that X marks the spot where you've chosen, and then you're going to give this map to somebody in your family, and you're going to see if they can find where you hid the gold. All right, everyone, have fun. Have fun treasure hunting. Did you know the most valuable treasures pirates seized was not gold or silver, but an atlas of Spanish sailing charts? English pirate Bartholomew Sharp later commissioned a colorfully illustrated English copy of the stolen atlas and presented it to the King of England, a gift that likely saved his freedom, if not his life. About the map. The Spanish map is from 1669. Its navigation directions and views of harbors as they would appear from out at sea would have been incredibly valuable at the time.